How to create a Zions Bank online banking account. So if you want to create a Zions Bank online banking account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for Zions Bank. And after searching, here on the first search you will have www.zionsbank.com. Click on that. And then you have to click on login or sign in, which is on the upper right corner. Now it will take you to the login page. So to create an account, you will have enroll now option in the middle of your screen. You can simply click on that. And now it will take you to the registration page. So if you want to create your account, then you will have 4 steps. So the first step is to select your service. So to create your account, what you'll need is Zions Bank ATM card or Visa or debit card number, and also the PIN. The next one is the last 4 digits of your social security number, and then the date and amount of your last deposit. So if you have these 3 credentials, then you're ready to create your account. But if you don't have these, then you can't create your account. So if you have these, then please select your service, which is either online banking or mobile banking, or direct connect with bill pay. So I'll be choosing online banking and mobile banking. And after choosing, you can click on continue. Now this is the second step. So here you have to enter your debit card number or your ATM card, and then you have to enter that PIN, and then you can choose the card type. So to choose, you have to click on the drop down bar, and then you have to choose the ATM or the debit. And after choosing, you have to enter your last 4 digits of your social security number. And after entering this information, you have to click on continue, and that's it. Your second step will be completed. And now in the third step, it will ask you to review and confirm, like you have to enter your personal information. And then on the last step, you have to enter the login information, like your credentials to log in. And after that, you can simply click on login, and that's it. Those were the 4 steps on how to create a Zions Bank online banking account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.